Can legislation be challenged in court? Imagine a situation where a new law is passed that seems to restrict certain freedoms or impose obligations that some believe are unfair or unconstitutional. How does the legal system handle such scenarios? Can individuals or organizations question the validity of legislation through the courts? The answer is yes, but the process involves specific legal principles and procedures. When a law is enacted, it is presumed to be valid and enforceable. However, if someone believes that a law violates the Constitution or exceeds the authority granted to the legislative body, they can challenge it through a legal process known as judicial review. Judicial review allows courts to examine the constitutionality of legislation and determine whether it aligns with the fundamental laws of the land. In most legal systems, challenges to legislation are initiated by parties who are directly affected by the law. These parties may include individuals, corporations, or government entities. The challenge is typically filed as a lawsuit in a court with appropriate jurisdiction, often starting in a trial court. The plaintiff must demonstrate that the law in question infringes upon constitutional rights or exceeds the powers granted to the legislature. Courts assess the validity of the legislation by examining relevant constitutional provisions, legal precedents, and the intent behind the law. If the court finds that the law violates constitutional principles, it has the authority to declare the law invalid or unconstitutional. This process is essential for maintaining the balance of power among the legislative, executive, and judicial branches of government. It is important to note that not all laws are immediately challengeable. Some laws may be considered procedural or administrative and may requiring specific legal grounds for challenge. Additionally, certain laws may be immune from challenge due to sovereign immunity or other legal doctrines. In summary, legislation can indeed be challenged in court if there are grounds to believe it conflicts with constitutional or legal standards. The judicial system provides a vital check on legislative power, ensuring that laws remains within the boundaries set by the Constitution and fundamental legal principles. This process helps uphold the rule of law and protect individual rights against potential overreach by the government.